If you're in the market for a new dash cam, then you're probably wondering what makes the VIOFO A229 Pro stand out from the crowd. Today, we'll take a closer look at its specs, real-world performance, and how it compares with other dash cams in the market. We'll also break down whether this product is truly worth your hard-earned money. Let's dive in. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a 4K HDR dash cam equipped with dual flagship Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, the IMX678 and IMX675. This powerful combination allows the front camera to record in stunning 4K resolution, 2160p, while the rear camera captures in 2K, 1440p. Whether it's day or night, this dash cam promises smooth, cinematic image quality with precise detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features is the HDR technology. When combined with the STARVIS 2 sensors, it expands the dynamic range to capture more detail in both the highlights and shadows. This makes a noticeable difference in low-light conditions and ensures clear license plate recognition, even when driving at high speeds. Plus, with Night Vision 2.0, you can expect 4K-level details during those late-night drives. Beyond its high-quality video, the A229 Pro also offers robust parking modes. It includes auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, which help optimize storage usage while providing 24/7 protection. When motion is detected, the dash cam starts recording 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after the event. However, keep in mind that the HK4 AC hardwire is not included in the box, and you'll need to purchase it separately. Another standout feature of this dash cam is its voice control. With 12 voice commands, you can manage your camera hands-free. Whether it's locking the video, turning off audio, or switching between the front and rear cameras, you can do it all while keeping your eyes on the road. It also provides helpful voice notifications for settings changes or memory card issues. When it comes to connectivity, the A229 Pro uses faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, making it easier to link the camera to the VIOFO app. From there, you can preview footage, configure settings, and share videos directly to your mobile device. The camera also includes an ultra-precise GPS module, supporting 4 satellite positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS, which ensures accurate tracking of vehicle speed, location, and timestamps. For durability, the A229 Pro features a built-in supercapacitor, which ensures a longer lifespan and stable performance in both extreme temperatures, from 5 balas to 149 nals. There's also an included anti-glare CPL lens that minimizes reflections and glare, improving image quality. Now, let's go over the pros and cons of this dash cam. Pros: impressive 4K 2K video quality. The combination of Sony's STARVIS 2 sensors and HDR technology ensures crisp, clear video. Hands-free voice control, a unique feature that promotes safer driving. 3 parking modes, offering flexibility in protecting your vehicle when parked. Ultra-precise GPS tracking with 4 satellite systems for accurate data. Built-in supercapacitor increases durability and stability. Cons: no SD card included. While you can purchase a compatible SD card separately, this could be an inconvenience for some buyers. Requires separate hardwiring kit. The HK4 AC hardwire is not included, meaning additional costs and installation work. Lack of long-term reliability data. As a newer model, we don't have enough long-term performance data to assess its true durability. In terms of build quality, the A229 Pro feels solid with its sturdy supercapacitor powering through harsh conditions. The inclusion of an anti-glare CPL lens adds to its value as it improves the overall image quality by reducing glare, particularly when driving in sunny conditions. For customer support, VIOFO has a good reputation. While there have been few interactions with their service team in user reviews, the company generally provides helpful responses and follows up on customer inquiries. Who is the VIOFO A229 Pro for? This dash cam is ideal for drivers who prioritize safety, high-definition video quality, and 24/7 protection for their vehicles. It's best for everyday commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone looking to invest in a dash cam for peace of mind. If you're a performance driver looking for a dash cam that can keep up with high-speed action, this model may be a bit too feature-heavy for you. Conclusion: strong option. If you value top-tier video quality, hands-free control, and comprehensive parking protection, the VIOFO A229 Pro stands as one of the strongest choices in its class. The voice control and HDR technology offer a compelling reason to make this your go-to dashcam. Is this review helpful? If you found this review useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can stay in the fast lane with fresh reviews. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any thoughts or experiences with the VIOFO A229 Pro, drop a comment below and let's chat. Until next time, stay safe on the road and keep your car autovated.